Hello YouTube family, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm back at my mom's house and we have lovely little Milo here with me. Raz did not want to make an appearance today. It is Taco Tuesday today at my mom's house and we are going to be making tacos. Please like this video, comment down below if you love tacos, subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and please comment down below if you love Taco Tuesday. Don't forget to like and subscribe for Milo. Say hi, Milo. I have 2 pounds of ground beef here. You can use ground turkey, ground chicken, or even tofu if you are a vegetarian or vegan. We're gonna go ahead and cook this on medium-high heat with 3 tablespoons of canola oil.
1 bite burrito. Took a shower.
Oh my God. So my 2 pounds of ground beef is cooking right now. We're gonna put the lid on now and cook this for another 10 minutes until it is nice and brown and caramelized. Once we've gotten to that point, I'm gonna add in my taco seasoning. Okay, so my beef has been cooking for about 20 minutes now. We're gonna go ahead and uncover the lid. Give it a nice stir. We can add in the seasoning now. I'm adding in 1.5 of these McCormick Original Taco Seasoning Mix. I do have a taco seasoning mix that I have made myself. It is on my lettuce tacos, so go ahead and check that video out for that recipe. I've added in my taco seasoning mix now. We're gonna go ahead and stir this all in. I'm gonna put the heat on medium heat. And you instantly see a beautiful color change because of the taco mix. And it smells so good in here.
I belong to you. I belong to you. Do just what you want. You're the one I trust. And I always be around when I need some loving, baby. No one else. Yeah. Take me to your heart. I belong to you. Take me to your soul.
My tacos are ready now. We're gonna go ahead and give it a taste test. It is fantastic. I'm gonna give this one a taste. Crunchy tacos over soft tacos any day. Comment down below if you love crunchy or soft. Thank you so much for watching my video. I hope you guys enjoyed watching me make tacos today. Comment down below if you love tacos. Please give this video a like. Subscribe if you haven't already. Hit that bell for future notifications so you never miss a video. And Raz finally made an appearance and Milo is sleeping. Say hi, Raz. Oh my god, yes! Okay. Anyways, thank you so much for watching once again. I hope you have a wonderful day. Bye!